welcome back to Fun Story Factory. Oh, I've been away for a while. Do you know where I've been? If you look on my Instagram page, you're going to see where I've been. I posted a few photos. I wonder if someone can write and tell me where I've been. In fact, I've got a book that I bought from this country. But in the meantime, I've got some lovely new books from other authors. Now, one we're going to read today is called Janey, Just in Case. I hope you enjoy this book. I'm going to actually post all the books that I'm going to be doing soon because I've got some wonderful books. But in the meantime, we're going to start with Janey, Just in Case. This book is about Janey and her first day at school. Have you had a first day at school? Were you a bit worried? Well, we're going to read this book and find out how she gains confidence. So I think this is going to be fantastic. Shall we begin? Janey's head was always full of worries. She tried hard to push them aside, but they always came back. Her biggest worry of all was tomorrow, her first day of school. Can you remember your first day of school? Was it a few months ago? Or was it a year ago or more? Should we turn over the page and see what happens? That night, she tossed and turned, waking early to pack her bag, adding a few extras just in case. Can you remember packing your bag the day before school? She packed 2 pencil cases, a torch, 2 packets of plasters, a box of tissues, a cardigan, her favourite dolly, a teddy, goggles, and some Wellington boots. That's funny, isn't it? What did you pack in your bag on your first day of school? At breakfast, she couldn't decide what to eat. Daddy's egg smelt yummy. Sophie's cereal looked good. Mummy's toast made her mouth melt. In the end, she asked for everything, just in case. Oh, she's got a lovely appetite. Do you know breakfast is a very important meal of the day? You mustn't miss it. Janey looked at her breakfast and her tummy felt fluttery, her hands were sticky, her head was spinning. She couldn't eat anything. Let's pack your snack instead, whispered Daddy. She was so nervous and excited she couldn't eat anything. Has that happened to you before? That's very normal. Should we turn over and see what's happening? But Janey couldn't decide on one snack. So in the end, she took some extras, just in case. 10 boxes of raisins, a small juice, a cup, 2 napkins, 2 apples, and 2 oranges. Wow, she's going to have a heavy bag now, isn't she? Wow, this is heavy. Maybe we should take a few extras out, asked Daddy. Janey's eyes filled with tears. But I need everything, just in case. Daddy lifted Janey's backpack onto his shoulder and clasping her hand, they set off for school. Are you sure you want your bag to be this full, Janey? He asked. I do, Daddy, just in case. Janey looked around at her new classmates. A boy next to her was searching through his backpack, frantically pulling everything out. His eyes finally rested on Janey as he squeezed, pushed and pulled at his fidget ball. Janey's hand reached towards him as a tiny voice escaped from her. Hello. She's making friends, isn't she? The boy looked up. I can't find my pencil case. I have a spare one, just in case, Janey whispered and offered it to the boy. Oh, thank you. My name's Ben, he replied, holding the pencil case tightly in his hands. A girl near her sat quietly, hot prickly tears sliding down her cheeks. Janey dug deep into her backpack, pulled out her dolly and some tissues, then offered them to the girl. Thank you. My name's Sadie, the girl said, holding out her hand to Janey. Janey held her own teddy and clutched Sadie's hand tightly. What a kind girl Janey is. At snack time, a few of Janey's classmates realised they had forgotten their snacks. Can you think what's going to happen? The teacher asked if anyone had spare. Janey bravely raised her hand and whispered, I do. Can you see her raising her hand? Then she pulled out some extras from her backpack. 10 boxes of raisins, a small juice, 2 oranges, and at the last minute, 2 apples. Just in case. A girl sat next to Janey, her backpack full. She held her delicate hand out and offered Janey a banana and some chopped carrots. I'm Ella. Shall we swap? I brought lots of extras. Just in case, smiled Janey. Do you like raisins? I have loads. It's a nice way to make friends, isn't it? After snack time, Janey followed her new friends out to play. She forgot her worries as they skipped, ran and jumped together. She forgot about her backpack too until it was time to go home. Then she reached into it and pulled out her welly boots and goggles. After all, it looked like it was about to rain, so just in case, I think she's putting her wellies on. Aren't they a lovely bright yellow colour? That night, Daddy made his famous macaroni cheese for dinner. Janey felt calm, her words flowed with ease, and her tummy was hungry. She asked for a great big slice. After dinner, Janey packed her backpack for school the next day, and she took 1 bottle of water, a pencil case, a cardigan, and a few extras just in case for her new friends. She took another apple and a toy and a ball. Isn't that lovely? Did you enjoy that book? What was your first day at school like? It shows it's okay to be a little bit scared or nervous, but in the end you can be confident and have a wonderful time. School is a good place to be. Bye-bye and see you again very soon. Hope you enjoyed Janey Just In Case. Do check out Fun Story Factory on YouTube. You can watch a lot of other stories that I've already read. So there's The Tiger Who Came to Tea, there's Cam's Sneakers, there's so many, The Hat Shop. I have got so many wonderful books. So why don't you tell me which one is your favourite one? See you soon.